From what we did on yesterday's challenge, actually clean again. Even the chair's clean. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we're stocked up. Fruits and vegetables. Oh, they forgot to close this. Clean dishes. They didn't do so well with the stove. In today's video, I am making ground meat. Well, ground beef anyways. That's stewing, but we can still use that. We are going to make that into tacos. Homemade tacos in the microwave. Because a lot of people don't think you can actually do it. And I'm going to prove you wrong today. Let's go talk to them. So you didn't know that we can make homemade tacos in the microwave?
Nope.
And who told you that we can't do it?
Kara.
Why?
Because the bacteria would get too high and would make us all sick. Really?
3 years I've been doing it. Am I sick?
No.
Are you sick?
No, I'm just sick in the head.
She took my words right out of my mouth. So you're the one that's going to be recording the whole thing. Right?
Yay!
Yay. You ready to eat tacos?
Yep.
Are you ready to eat something different?
Yes. New change. Right.
New change?
Yeah.
Hey, Bonehead.
Bonehead. That was good.
You ready for tacos?
Yeah.
Rar?
Rar.
You forgot to tip your head.
Oh.
Alright, let's go do it. Silly girl. Anyways, we are going to be making tacos. Homemade tacos, but I'm making them for 5 people. And yep, I'm going to use my trusty little microwave. First, I gotta get a bowl. Did she wash any of the bowls in here? There's a bowl over here. No, there ain't. Where's the big bowls? First things first. You gotta cut the meat out of the packet. These are frozen. Frozen meat. So frozen, still peeling it is the problem. See how frozen it is? It's so frozen, it's just... You want to feel how frozen it is?
It's frozen.
It's frozen. Now in the big truck, I do have water. So if you can't get it off like this, I have cold water in the truck, not warm, but just fill it off. It doesn't matter if you rinse it or not. First one in there. In a big truck, I would have, you know, my scissors. I'd have water. The water does help. I'd have everything I need but the stove. Well, I have a stove in there. It tastes better on the stove, trust me. But you can do it this way too, and it doesn't even matter. All it is ground meat. You're going to stick it in there. It doesn't matter. You're just going to cook it. Stick it in the microwave. I cook it for 6 minutes. See the time? I cook it for 6 minutes to soften it up and to break it apart. Aw, she loves her mama.
Yes.
Alright.
Oh, no.
There you go. Alright. Now that it's done with the 6 minutes, I'm going to take it and break it apart. Got it, Michelle?
Yep.
Just take it and break it apart. All the way. Because what you're doing is now you want the meat to cook. You thought it out to the point where you can actually do it. I'm making 2 of them because there's 5 people. Me and Vanessa can eat one of these by ourselves. I got my, I got the taco seasoning mix and everything I use for it. See how it just tears apart? When you cook it, you don't want it in a big bowl like this. You just want to break it apart and make it to where it's loose. You don't have to make sure it's like taco meat yet. You just want to make sure it's loose so the whole thing can cook. She loves ground meat. But she doesn't know when to wait. She knows what this is because this is how I cook it. I'm hoping you guys don't eat it all because I put some of this aside before I season it. After I season I put some of this aside and I use it for the macaroni and cheese. If it doesn't all come apart, it doesn't matter. So you got a big ball right here. Now, stick it in the microwave for another 5 minutes. Has to cook a little bit more and get that softened up. Okay, the next step, after it gets done, you're gonna see a little bit more ground meat. It is a little bit hot at this time, so you can tell some of it's already cooking. I'm gonna break it apart a little bit more. You want to make sure a lot of it's broken apart after you put it in again. With one package, you can cook it for a shorter amount of time, but I'm cooking 2 packages, so it's going to take a little bit of time to get it cooked, but it's all going to work out. You mix it up like this, just so you can actually get the raw part of it up here so they can cook. And then just the way it looks. 4 minutes. Okay, now we're going to check it again. That was at 4 minutes. Still got a little bit red in there, but at this point is when I rinse it out. Now inside a big truck I have water, but this time we have a kitchen sink, so I'm going to use tap water. Cold water is what I use. See all this stuff right here? I'm going to rinse it off. It also cools it down where I can touch it. What I'm doing right now is getting all of the grease out of it. You can see that it's still not cooked on some of it, but that's fine. Because this is the point where I break it apart even more. So after I rinse it off, take my hand, I'm going to break it apart a little bit more. Because you're making tacos, you're not making hamburgers, you're making tacos. So you're just going to break it apart little by little. Just to make sure that it's like ground up enough that you can eat in a taco. And after this point, when I stick this back in the microwave, I'm not going to have to touch it with my bare hands no more. See how it is? You can actually cook in the microwave. With you seeing that in live instead of over the camera, you can see the difference, right?
Mm-hmm.
When Vanessa and I were doing this in the big truck, I didn't have access to a faucet, so I wore gloves doing it. Latex glove for the COVID.
Mm-hmm.
I just put that on my hands. I'm like, yeah, I like this better. My hands stay clean longer. But it's cooled down enough I could do it, so that's a good thing. See how ground up it is?
Mm-hmm.
Well, you're going to try making this at home?
Gonna try it.
I always break it apart when it gets this cooked. So when it cooks, I don't have to touch it anymore. And does that, it cooks it. No, I can't talk right now. The rest of the cooking after this will cook the rest of the stuff off of it that doesn't belong in there, like all the extra grease and all that stuff. But this is how you make the healthy way, because if you're cooking on the stove most of the time, you're cooking all of the grease with it, and the grease stays with it. So now let's all ground it up. See how much grease is in there? That's after dumping it. Gonna rinse it out. Just get all the grease out. Got this back in here. You're gonna remake it. I put on for 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes for right now. Now what I'm going to do is grab a spoon, because she wants to make her what is it, macaroni and cheese homemade. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some meat for that. Put a little bit of taco seasoning mix on it. I'm going to dump the rest of the taco seasoning mix on here. Because I use 1.5 packs for 1 pack, but since this is 3, I'm going to use 3 of it. Or this is 2. Mix it pretty good. Now, you know, do you remember that I told you that they had a lot of grease on it?
Mm-hmm.
And we washed all the grease off?
Right.
Well, that made the meat dry. So, I'm going to replace it with grease with water. So what I do, cold water. You don't want to put too much in there. Well, can you move it to where I can see him, where I'm not stretching my neck? There you go. Hi. You can keep recording. Hi, Tyler. Well,
I'm just walking down that park,
okay. After it's all mixed in, now it's moist. So now that it's moist, it is about maybe 85% cooked at this time. Now that it's moist and it's seasoned, I'm going to stick it back in for 4 minutes. They say that you cannot cook tacos in the microwave. Doesn't this look good? Tacos in a microwave, and it's 100% cooked, 100% sanitized. You can fill the bowl, fill it. Microwave does wonders, I'll tell you that. Bring it up to me. Now we're just gonna sit and enjoy this. So let's talk to the family and see what they think about it. This is the family enjoying the homemade tacos. And laugh, come on. Hey, there's Vanessa. Hi, Vanessa. You're tall.
Cup for their water.
It's sitting right next to it.
We need 1 extra spoon, Sarah.
I don't have any more extra spoons. I'm all out.
I can get the thing open.
You guys are the very first ones that get a taste of my homemade tacos in a microwave besides Vanessa. I don't think anybody's ever watched this enough to make it. Is your son gonna come in and eat too?
Yeah. Riley, come on.
And this was all done in a microwave?
All in a microwave. I never even turned on that stove.
Choose one of these.
Oh, I got up too fast.
Whatever you think.
Well, that's not my problem.
Stop daydreaming.
Whoa!
Stop daydreaming. All cameras are on you. Do something funny.
got it. Hold up.
Uh-oh.
Oh, shoot.
Don't fart.
No.
You will after this.
What's happening?
I'm making tacos.
Make tacos.
Oh,
Tacos in a microwave, no stove.
right?
Right.
And I also got taco sauce, mild and hot. I have mild and fire. I got
Videos for Cara, isn't it?
for anybody. That's it. You know, you could put more meat on it.
Okay, I'll put more meat on.
I mean, that's a big taco. You could put more meat on. We got plenty.
Okay, okay.
I usually fill it all the way up to the top.
Oh, do you?
Oh, heck yeah. I'm not Taco Bell.
You're not Taco Bell?
Taco Bell puts one scoop in there. I'm like, what is this? I fill it up to the top. Am I right?
Let's make a deal.
Fill it all the way up.
All the way?
Yep. That's better. Put some more meat in yours.
She wants you to fill it all the way up top.
You
Come
gotta
on.
make yours. I'm gonna go.
No, then yours would be gone.
No, I can make any of them if I want.
And there's a lot here. So.
Oh, shoot. That was a lot.
Mild. I have fire up there. You guys gonna take it mild?
I'm not taking any hot.
I gotta get their reactions.
Go.
Look at how much meat I have left. Vanessa and I will finish it. Yeah, that's enough. Alright. This is for the
Young lady,
page. This is for the vlog. I want you to taste it and tell me what you think about it.
Honestly, it tastes better than
Tastes good, doesn't it? Tastes just like real tacos, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You?
tastes better.
Better than what? Better than how your mom makes it?
Hey.
Well, there's no grease.
How about you?
It's really good.
Really
Better than
good.
the stove.
I know, right? That's because I drain all the grease out and it's all cooked in the microwave. That's how I cook inside the truck. That microwave goes inside the truck. It doesn't stay here. But did I prove to you can cook tacos in a truck?
Yes, you did.
what? Don't look at me like that.
Who's talking about ambulance?
Get your butt over there.
Come on,
Get
Paige.
your butt over there.
Paige, come here. Hi. Paige, come here. She was trying to get some water before Daisy does because Daisy will finish it.
Okay.
Good girl.
Okay.
But it tastes really good, right? Tastes it better than Taco Bell?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, by far.
Okay, now it's proof. It is 100% proof that you can make tacos from a microwave. You saw the whole entire thing. You recorded it. And it tastes just like real tacos. Tastes better. And you still think it tastes better? 100%? You gonna convince your mom to make it this way from now on?
Yep.
Yeah?
Well, it's normally that one making the
You gonna get yours? Oh,
Paige is done with her water.
oh yeah. Paige will attack it as soon as Daisy gets in here. But she won't stick around.
No.
Ooh.
Come here, Daisy.
You can have another one if you want to.
Daisy.
Yes, it's a real...
Daisy.
Besides that point, I like that point. It looks like a real living room. I have room in here now.
Daisy. Sit. No. Sit. Stay. Look at it.
Good girl, Daisy.
Good girl, Paige. Good girl. Too late now. Okay, what is your 100% thought on it?
It's passable.
Passable? And you want your mom to make it that way?
Yeah.
You?
A+.
A plus? You?
Amazing.
Now you're gonna have to view this video so you can see what I did.
You better believe it.
You? Oh wait, she disappeared. You gonna make yourself one?
Yeah.
Can you make me one too? I don't know if we have any. Just you and mine. It's right here. Alright, you want to end the vlog?
Hope you all have a wonderful night, and we all love you, and please subscribe, and we love you, and peace out.